Hi guys, it's Cycling with Kiwi here. Hope you enjoyed my dancing. I used to dance when I was younger. But I had a few. But anyway, I didn't have a few that time. I got two photos that I found of my old boat, the Mighty Nelson. It's a classic clinker boat. I was doing it up, and this was my dream years ago to have a boat because I always loved boats. And you'll see. But only reason I sold it, the mooring was so hard to get out. I couldn't, and a lot of things needed to be done on it, and then I ended up unemployed. But I went everywhere. I went to Tasman National Park on it. It had a Volvo Pente engine inboard. It had a cabin on it. It was really noisy. I had an engine box, but I didn't have a soundproof. And it's in Golden Bay, which is Takaka Way. The guy bought it for $4,200. I was paying it off when my brother passed away. I enjoyed it. I got a paint job, but paint job wasn't very good. I got a new tarpaulin on it, a yellow one, because my brother passed away and I got some money for it. I paid it off. But it was a really lovely wooden boat, and but you couldn't sleep in it. It had nothing inside. It was good fun. But the marina, it was outside Anchor Bar and Grill, which was a restaurant, and it used to low tide, and I couldn't get back in. So I got back in, and I turned around, and I got stuck coming in. And then one day the steering went bit bonkers, and I actually hit two boats, but I didn't damage them. I was going around circles, and there was a catamaran on where I had to go around, and he just vanished, and I accidentally hit his boat because I got stuck in the mud flats. I revved it up and actually hit this boat, and I was a bit scared to go down the marina after that. Anyway, I did, and a couple of weeks ago he met this woman, nice Kiwi Nelson woman, and they left, and the boat was never seen again because he wasn't supposed to come to Nelson. He lightened his boat that light. It was up in the air, and he had no decent radio, and which was sad. But I was watching him make all his homemade stuff, because he was built it in his backyard at home in Australia, and I was watching him build all the stuff on it. But she was a nice lady. She had two daughters from Nelson. Anyway, but it wasn't me that caused their demise. It was him. He shouldn't have gone out. Shouldn't even be. He should have never came to New Zealand on it, because he had no decent radio. I don't think he even had a flare, because I went and had a look at it. He had an old radio, but I don't think it worked. Yeah. Anyway, but. I love my old boat, and I love boats full stop, but I couldn't afford another one, so I'm going to just make do with a nice kayak next year, and one of those ones that you can sit up on, because I like my boats, and I also like cycling as well. Also, I like a lot of stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my pictures. I didn't have any videos of them. At least I can't remember if I did. But it was on this camera because it's GoPro. It was a flip-top camera, and they don't make them anymore. And I must have deleted them, and I didn't take any photos of it. So, but I know where it is, but I don't think the guy has done anything with it. I don't know, but he's put it outboard in it, and I don't like that sort of, because it's an old boat and the motor ran real well. Went 7 knots, and one day I went out in the cut, and it was quite rough, choppy, and all the other guys were out in Wallishaw Island parked up on their boats, and I went out and it was so funny. It was a big swells, they were really big swells, and I rocked and rolled, and it was funny, and I didn't, and I turned back in. That was funny. And you gotta enjoy life, hey? You gotta do what you love doing. I do. I think life's too short to be doom and gloom and bully people and murder people. I mean, those people that do things like that got no lives, and they got more money in sense. And no, there's too much murder, doom and gloom going around. You got to be happy and have fun and go to church like I do. I know a lot of people don't believe in him, but I do. He's helped me the max. I mean, I've been through hard times and I've got out of it, and I find that God, a lot of people don't want to believe him, but I do, and Jesus, the Son, died for all of us. So anyway, and there might be a little bit more dancing when I'm in the mood. Anyway, God bless you all, and hope you like my pictures. Bye.